guys, it's Mary from Rocky Mountain Gardens, and I am here today to share with you my favorite summertime adult beverage. It is called the Bourbon Crush, and I think you will enjoy it too. So I'm going to do a little demonstration here today to show you how I make this. And what is wonderful about it is that it is a frozen drink and just gets really slushy and cools you off when you're sitting outside on a nice hot day. So I'm going to turn the camera around and get started on creating this wonderful drink, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's begin making our Bourbon Crush. Now I'm going to start with this Rubbermaid container. It is a 14 cup size, which will allow you to fit all of the contents of this drink in for one batch of Bourbon Crush. So I'm going to take my container here. Let's set it over here for now. And my first ingredient for this drink is to take 2 cups of water and boil them. And then I use 2 family size black tea bags that you would use to make iced tea normally. I put them in the water and let them steep for a while to make a very strong tea. Now the water is still warm, so I'm going to take a scant, meaning not quite 2 cups of sugar, and pour it all into this tea. And then I'm going to take a spoon and just stir. I need to stir this until the sugar is completely dissolved into this warm tea water. And that might take a minute or 2. I'm going to try to give you a peek at this tea with the sugar all dissolved in. It is a nice, dark, very strong tea. And it is crucial that you remember to stir the sugar in while your tea is still warm, because you may know that sugar dissolves much more easily in warm water than in cold water. So my tea mixture with the sugar is ready to go. And let's see, let me move it so you can see better. In my container here, I've poured 5 cups of water, and I have 2 more to add, so a total of 7 cups of cold water go into your container. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup, and I use Southern Comfort bourbon. It's a bourbon that it has a little bit of a sweeter taste to it, and just tastes delicious in this drink, this combination of flavors. So we'll pour in 1 cup of Southern Comfort. All right, and then just 1/2 of a 12-ounce container of frozen lemonade concentrate. So I've already made a batch of this drink this summer. I have 1/2 of the container remaining, so I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. And I like to use my spoon and get all of the lemonade juice out. Next, I'm going to add an entire 12-ounce container of orange juice concentrate. Pour that in and scrape out all that remaining good orange juice concentrate. I can go ahead and stir it a bit. And then my last ingredient is the tea and sugar mixture. So I'm going to pour that in carefully. You can see it's a little thick because of the sugar. It's made it into a syrup almost. Get all that goodness in. And then I stir it up carefully. And you can see it comes up very close to the top of this container. It's just a perfect fit for this recipe. Now make sure you stir it up well so that especially the Southern Comfort bourbon is distributed evenly throughout the drink. You want to have that evenly around, so all parts, when this is frozen, and all parts of the drink have a little bourbon in them. Okay, and next I take my lid, place it on top and seal it, and then I'm going to put this in my freezer. Okay, hi again. So, as I said earlier, you place your container into your freezer, let it freeze solid. If I was planning to make this for a party, I would make it at least the night before, so it had the entire night to freeze. You want it to be frozen solid, but then when your guests come, about 30 minutes, 45 minutes before you expect to use your drink and offer your guests a wonderful summer beverage, you get this out of the freezer, let it sit on your counter so it can soften up somewhat. And honestly, when I'm serving into glasses, I just take my spoon and scrape some of the Bourbon Crush off the top and just spoon it into glasses. And you know, it just softens because of course in the summertime it's so warm that the drink easily starts melting and turning into a slushy drink, which is simply delicious. So that's how you serve it to your guests. And just remember that the beauty of this drink is you can keep it in your freezer, and if you have guests stop by in an afternoon suddenly, you can just pull it out, have it ready to go in 30 minutes and offer your friends a nice, cool, refreshing drink for the summertime. And it's perfect for that. I love it because it's just at the ready in my freezer anytime I need it. So it's called the Bourbon Crush. It's a drink, I think I said earlier, that I learned about when I was in college, and I think you will enjoy it. Give it a try. So I will place below this video a list of the ingredients that you need to use for making this drink. You can take that information and make a Bourbon Crush for yourself and your friends or family. And I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Here it is, my refreshing Bourbon Crush. Ready to drink, sitting out on my porch on a hot summer afternoon. Try it out. It's the best adult beverage you can drink in the summertime. Enjoy.